anticipate you playing it tonight. I think it's important that we worry about ourselves and what we need to do. We're coming to a rink that's going to be very amped up with the atmosphere. Team's got to bring it. Like I said, it's going to boil down to who wants it the most, who executes it better, who plays it. If we worry about ourselves and what we need to do, maybe weather the storm a little bit at the start, hopefully we'll have some success.
It's fun to play the backup. When you go into the hostile environment, everybody's jacked up.
I enjoy it. I think it's fun. There's pressure on both teams to win. This is the second round of the NHL playoffs. But they do have their home fans, and if we could just find a way to get off to a good start, hopefully it'll quiet down a little bit.
Kim, as a fan growing up, is there a Game 7 that stands out to you the most, that you remember watching, like just sticks in your mind?
Well, it's a good question. Maybe not that I watched, but just the ones that I played. Obviously the Stanley Cup that we won in '06, it's always going to stand out in my mind. But I mean, there's been a lot of great Game 7s in the NHL, and I can anticipate that tonight will be another good one.